Di ba ko kabalo, unya karon. Tama mo to giingon ni Bato. Regardless kung AI to or dili, na nag-reflect man ang sentiment sa mga tao ato. So that's why naay engagement. O ba na nila nakunaan? Akala ko ba matalino itong si Franz ka? Ano? Claire Castro. So, you know, like it's a post, real or not, it got engagement. Now, it reflects the sentiment of the people. Diba? So, let's put it this way. Kung may na-AI na content and doesn't matter to anyone, then it will not gain any traction. The point is it gained traction and people want to share this and show it to other people because it is the sentiment of the people. Ano raman na? Ano patason man na to storya, ng AI lang. And I'm sure kung naamay mo gamit og ingana nakabuang kamo to.